Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share my Creative Times 141st edition release with you. If you did not see my video from yesterday, please go back one, or I'll have it linked up in the cards, or it'll come up at the end of this video and you can just click on that. And then everything that I use today will be linked down below, as well as the link to her new release, which will not be available until Friday, but it will be linked down below. All right, and starting out, so for today, we are showcasing the mushroom dies, which comes with 12 in the set. Mine is short one, but we'll be getting it soon, and that will be one of the snails. So you'll have a set of 2 snails. They're facing each other, and as you can tell, I do have 2 layers for the snail. But this is such a cute card. Comes together so cute. It's adorable. And then this right here are the little shrubbery for the little mushroom house. And then this also comes with a set of stamps. And hopefully you can see all of those. And I did use the stamps with my projects. And then we also have the butterfly plate. It's just the one plate, and it'll come with 5 layers, so you can do 5 at a time. So we have the antenna of the butterfly and this layer, and so you can layer them up or do them separately. It's totally up to you. And then I also used a die set, or a couple of die sets from yesterday, which these are the new sets. We have the tiny flowers and the leaf dies, and so I used that in my project too. And then also the paper that we showcased yesterday, and believe me, I killed the paper, so I'm just going to show it to you like this. But if you'd like to see it more in detail, just go back one day. Anyways, it's called Pretty Watercolors, and these are all the layers there. I also wanted to take the time to show you the products that I use with my projects. So we use the large treat bag, and I'm just using the outer 2 layers. From the Stay Beautiful Stampin' Dies, and that comes with 3, but I only use this one here. 3x3 card dies, I just use this and this, as well as this layer here. Spring 2024, I just used this. And then the bumblebees, I only use this little bumblebee trail there from the cute bumblebees. Here are my projects. Love them, love them. Okay, starting out, I made 3 3x3 cards, and this is where I used that bee trail from the cute bumblebee dies, and I used it for the butterfly. I did layer them up twice, so I can just kind of raise that up and make it a little bit 3D. I did add some little gems on there. This is from her paper pack, as well as the blue, and then this is from last month's paper pack. But love how they turned out. Happy B-Day is on there. So happy we are friends on this one, and with love on this one. So love those. And then I made some embellishments, and these are super cute. So I used the treat bag as a topper. And I extended it. I made it longer. If you'd like to see that, just let me know, and I can try and do a video for you on how extending your dies. So, but love how it turned out, and I layered it up there. And then I also made it to where you could pull this out and pull out the embellishment there. So that as a gift to a friend, or just put it on a card, use it yourself. But I love how it turned out, and I did make this one the same way, and I extended the plate once again. And then this one, I also have it on removable pop dots. I did use the leaves and the flowers for each one, and added some embellishments, and I did ink up each of the sets there too. This little piece here came out of the center of that mushroom, and I did that on both of them, and then I added high. So I thought that was really cute to add as a little touch there and not waste the piece. But love those. Super cute. These are the projects that I created for you today. I'll come back on Friday, day of release. You can use my code for 15% off your total purchase. Make sure you share the love amongst the designers. All right, thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.